How to create a CRA account in 2025. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To register for Canada Revenue Agency's CRA account, you first of all want to open any web browser. Then head over to the official website of CRA. Now, in order to register, go ahead and click on the Register for CRA Account option. Now, the first step is to decide if you need to register. If you already registered for My Account, My Business Account, or represent a client using a CRA user ID and password, you cannot register again. Now, if you are eligible, you want to gather your documents. When you register with CRA user ID and password or sign-in partner, you will require your social insurance number, your date of birth, amount you reported on the most recent tax return. After this, you will have to choose a sign-in option to register with. You have the options of sign-in partner, CRA user ID and password, and provincial partner option. Go ahead and select whichever option you want. I'm going to select the option of CRA user ID and password. Here, you will have to enter the details, so go ahead and enter your social insurance number, then enter your date of birth. After that, enter the amount you reported on your most recent tax return. Now, click on the next option. Next step is to verify your identity. You will have to choose either to submit a photo of yourself and your ID document or wait for CRA security code. Next step is to enroll in multi-factor authentication. You can select the option to get your one-time passcode. The options are Authenticator app, by phone, or with a passcode grid. Next step is to complete your identity verification. You can use the document verification service or CRA security code, and in this way you can register for CRA account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.